Hello, my great subscribers and future viewers, and maybe even future subscribers and regular viewers. I am back with AdventureCraft. I have two major problems. Major problem number one. I'm guessing I did like half this instance without recording my voice, and I lost all the video footage, and I'm too lazy to redo the whole thing, so we're gonna continue from this point. I'm very sorry. Major problem number two is what was it again? Oh yeah, major problem number two. I have not uploaded enough videos. I have found out that I forgot to upload quite some videos, and as you can see, I'm failing here. I was stuck at in this area for about I'd say I've been here for a long time, and I have no idea what I have to do, where I have to go right now. So I've been jumping around like this and like that, and jump back up here, and I die again and over again, and I just can't find a way out. So I'm going to try and reach the other side in this episode of AdventureCraft Part 3 or 4. Is it 3? It's 3. Okay, oh my god, okay. Now, let's do this shit. Up, no. See, this is what I hate. Why the hell would they give you hope? This is giving you hope. There's a hope. You can't go there. You can't go there. So we're gonna do it my way, and whee! Ah, damn. Alright. I've also got a blocked nose. I'm not sure if you can hear that. And yeah, it's ice cold here. Well, especially in the mornings. I think it's about -1-ish, -1. And yeah, school is going better than I expected. I finally decided to start studying, which is good, my mother says. And I'm not gaming as much as I used to. Xbox, not much at all. AdventureCraft, not much, and editing and stuff. Yeah, what the? Back to game. I'm just chilling, looking after my books and school. My mother says once I get a good report, I am able to do everything that I did before this and continue without a life again, now that I've just got it back. And I'm also being interviewed by a few, well, not really classmates, but schoolmates, or just some friends of mine, and they are interviewing me for their project about gaming, well, addictions, not just gaming addictions to anything. And I am honored to be one of the chosen persons, and actually the only person chosen to be interviewed about being addicted to games. How wonderful. No? Thank you, Simon. I will link his Facebook. No, I won't link his Facebook. Okay, I'll link a really funny video about bananas that I have to look up later. And now it feels like I'm getting somewhere. Yes, I think I'm going to make it to wherever I want. Okay, please someone tell me how the hell. Oh, wait a sec. What does it keep? Oh my god. Oh, wait, what's that? Can I climb on that? No. There's an eyeball. I got the key to that door. How to get there? Isn't there like a walkthrough for this game? Because I desperately need one. Oh, I did it, and now I'm stuck. Ah, great. This is just perfect. Time to suicide. Yay, we're dead again. Let's see what I have. Maybe throw some bones, arrows, shields. Nothing. I can't get anywhere. Oh, let's just go back. La 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 la. Oh, there's a door. Maybe I can go through here. La 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 la. I'm not gonna make this episode too long, otherwise it's gonna take ages to upload again. And lag. And I do not want that. No 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 no. I'll bring out more episodes though. And yeah, you'll see. I promise to be more active, a lot more active. Stop. Die! Ah, it's been so long. Skeletons are winning. There's something wrong. Die, skeleton. So you'll see. I'm gonna do my best to upload a lot more and come present you with some. Oh, thank you so much for dying. And give you some. Ooh, is that a creeper? What the? Don't tell me that creeper's been there for ages. Creeper, help me! Come here, creeper. Come here. Earth to creeper. Explode this whole thing. Yes, look at me. Blow up. Blow up. Blow up! How the hell must I get its attention? I mean, I got its attention. How the hell am I supposed to get it to kill me? Ah, no! Ah, now it's gone again. Oh my god, I hate this game. No, I don't hate it. I just don't like it. Let's see, there's got to be a way to do this. Oh, there it is again. Hello, chap. Let's see. Oh, there's a ladder. Let's see. So yeah, what was I talking about now? Forgotten. You'll see, I'm gonna upload a lot more. I'm going to do my best. Because I'm also, as you heard in this video thing, I like to do backgrounds for YouTube. So I might give like, I might do like a little giveaway, background giveaway for YouTube, or background for anything really. And yeah, how long have I been doing this now? I think I've been doing it for a really long time. I think my maximum, I think I'm gonna put my episodes under 10 minutes, because otherwise it takes like, I don't know, it takes like 6 hours to upload or something. I think, no, my first episode, which was 18 minutes, I think, was 6 hours upload time, and I do not want that again. And I don't think my mission for this episode is gonna work. I'm stuck. I'm literally stuck. I think I'm going to have to restart with a new save and just do this over again. Anyways, peace out. I hope you enjoy all my episodes, and I promise to all my subscribers I will upload more. Stop this. Oh my god. I will upload more. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this. Please rate, comment, subscribe, hate, look at some funny banana videos. I see ya. Peace out.